Hey guys, Rhett here down in Birmingham. What's going on? Really happy to bring this video to you. This is my client Eric. Really fired up for you, man. This property we've been working on. For those of you guys that have been watching the channel for a while, did a video here about a month and a half ago, maybe 2 months ago, if you go look, this home had Pitbulls in it and they totally destroyed the house. So we came in here, did a full renovation, and we are in the absolute final stages of that renovation. And it's, ironically, actually, we were just here doing a little walkthrough ourselves, and we just had someone pull up and come in and ask us to rent it. So it's really a gem on the street, and people are literally pulling over. She's the woman that just stopped was the 6th person in the last week to stop by over here. So it's crazy when you start doing work in some of these areas. People need homes, and it becomes more and more evident when you start doing something really nice. Okay, people want it. So guys, if you recall in the last video, the house was a disaster. Please, if you haven't, go back and look. I'll post the description in or the link to that video in the description below, so you can see the before and after. So let's head on inside. I'll show you what we've done, the small items that still need to be corrected and finished, but the overwhelming majority of which have already been done. So come on in here, guys. So first off, brand new steel door on the exterior, okay? That was the first thing to add. And come on inside. So as you guys come inside, everything in here has been updated for the most part. So all new carpets throughout the entire house. They look great, they smell great, they feel great. Actually, guys, ironically, you know, I talk about carpet all the time on the channel, and some people say to me the same things. I'm tired of hearing them. You know, it's quick turnover, you gotta fix it, it's a money pit, they get disgusting, yada, yada, yada. Section 8's different, guys. The tenants stay for so long, you're not having to constantly rip carpet up and get rid of it. If you had a short-term rental that was going 12 months on, 12 months off, 12 months on, 12 months off, cleaning carpets every single turnover or putting new carpets in every 2 years would absolutely eat into your bottom line. On average, our tenants stay about 12 and a half years, okay? That's pretty damn good. You don't need to pull carpet up when you have a tenant in a home for 12 and a half years. And that's just an average, okay? So, and the reason I bring it up is when this woman stopped and came in, she said, oh my goodness, my kids would love this carpet, I would love this carpet, okay? It's really nice, it's really soft, it's really plush, makes me want to lay down and just lay here and not even do this video. I love new carpet. So, as we come in here, guys, all this carpet's new. We had to do some electrical work to this house as well. So in this house, guys, we're not doing an HVAC system. So what we're doing instead is we are doing window units, dual window units. So they do heating and they do cooling, okay? In order for the home to be able to sustain a window unit, it needs a 220 volt plug, okay? So what we did was from the electrical box, we ran this brand new outlet, okay, that's gonna satisfy what that window unit needs. Window unit will obviously go right here. That'll provide adequate heating and cooling to the living room and the kitchen, all right? We will also put these units in every single bedroom, okay? That way every bedroom has what it needs for heating and cooling, all right? So guys, all new doors throughout the whole house as well, all new light fixtures, all new everything. Now if you come in here, this room was destroyed by Pitbulls. We've repainted the whole thing, done all new flooring. Place looks fantastic, new doors, everything in here has been done great. Of course, we will come through, do the final touch-up work as we plan to move this thing onward and get it on the rental market. I honestly don't think it's even gonna go on the rental market because so many people have stopped. We've been able to gather so much information for prospective tenants. I'd be really surprised if this even hits the market. Once it's ready, we'll start making phone calls and get somebody in here without this ever even hitting the market. So, guys, back out into the living room. You know, when we come through for our touch-up work, the last kind of things that we touch, we get rid of this vent, we put a new vent cover in. That's kind of what we do. We go through, we take all the face plates off if they haven't been taken off already for paint, all new face plates on all the outlets, all new outlet covers, that sort of thing. but every major thing, guys, in here has already been done. So, obviously new door in here as well, guys. Coming in here, we have our bedroom in here, bedroom number 2. Really, really nice in here as well. And right off this living room, which I love, and such a big living room where we see in some of these houses, guys, the rooms like this, sometimes they're kind of split. So a lot of these homes that were built in the 40s and 50s, down here in Birmingham at least, they're split up. Basically, the front of the house is a living room, and then there's kind of a half wall or maybe even a full wall, and then they turn this into a dining area right off the kitchen. That's very common down here. However, in this house, that doesn't exist. Maybe at one time, it did, right? But not anymore. So now it's a giant living room, and that was the first thing, the reason I'm bringing it up, it's the first thing that woman said when she just walked in here was, oh my gosh, what a great size living room. And it is, it's a huge living room, and it's great. So guys, if you recall from that other video as well, the flooring in the kitchen was a disaster. This entire kitchen was a nightmare, okay? So the rehab in this house ended up being $30,000. We did a ton of work in here. We literally had to rebuild this entire subfloor, okay? Literally tear it up and rebuild it. We put an entire new floor down in here, all new countertops in here, all new sink. We ripped the other thing out of here. We have a new countertop over here as well. This whole room has been painted. Everything's been done. The only thing that has not been finished yet in this room is the ceiling. The ceiling needs to be mudded. It's been sheetrocked. It's fresh sheetrock. It's been mudded. So we're gonna mud it, we're gonna paint it, and we're gonna be done. We'll be able to do that in about a day and a half. So no issues there at all, okay? Coming off of the kitchen, guys, we have our 3rd bedroom, okay? This room's been painted as well. We have power in both of these other bedrooms to be able to put window units in right here, okay? So that is what we're gonna do. We have a bathroom off of this bedroom, okay? This is our master. In this bedroom, we have put a brand new floor in the bathroom, brand new toilet. So this room is just about ready to go. It's in really, really good shape, guys. And we're really excited about it. So, lastly, coming through here, okay, this is kind of the back half of the house. New door here, okay? We did a brand new floor in here as well with a brand new vanity and a new toilet here too. So really, really happy, guys, with how this turned out. The power's off, so we gotta turn the power on. But really, really happy with how this turned out. Really happy for Eric. I think this is gonna be a really fantastic rental, and the family that ends up moving in here is gonna have it really good. It's a great location. I couldn't be happier when this house is completely done, you know, what it has in store. So guys, thanks for watching. Leave your questions and comments below. I'll get to all of them, and we'll see you next time.